Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing two awesome 2021 Matchbox cars. And we've got the 2019 Ford Mustang Coupe. Both the same casting from the same 2021 mainline, but just different numbers. Number 31 and number 82. Number 31 is from Matchbox Showroom, and it's in this blue color. And it is GVX 41, number 31. And number 82 is the Brembo Mustang from Matchbox Metro. 82 and GVX 92 is the number on this one. Let me know which one you like more. Let's get these out of the packaging. Ooh, that's a nice open. I like that. Got a little protector here. Look at that. Seals right up. Good open on that one. See how well we can do on the white one. The white one doesn't have a protector on it. And let's see how well we did on this one. Alright, that's a good one too. So white and blue, both out of the packaging. Both are nice clean opens. White one had a small tear on it, but it's satisfactory. Here's what the protector looks like. These would make a great addition to my Mustang town in my collection. And actually, I have a different version of this 2019 Mustang Coupe somewhere. And it is this black Metal Flake dark gray one. And this is from the 2020 Top Gun Maverick 5-pack. Same casting. And this is the 2019 Mustang Coupe. And it actually says GT on the back of it. Look at those painted taillights. Love those Mustang taillights. Just absolutely gorgeous. GT with the Mustang on the license plate. It's a Metal Flake blue color. I'm liking this one. Wow. Absolute beauty. Definitely going to make it into the Mustang collection that I have. I love my Diecast Mustangs. Interior. You can see the interior. Windows are down. I don't know how well you can see that, but awesome. These are Sport 5-spoke wheels. I got this one at my Target maybe a month ago or so. Now going with the Brembo Mustang, number 19. Uh-oh. There we go. Had to free up the wheels there. They spin independently, which I really like. Actually, now that I look at it, this one looks really cool too. Loving that. Love the Mustangs, the shape of them and everything. Looks like we got red chrome CTS wheels. And what does CTS stand for? Cut tri-spoke wheels. Yep, got cut tri-spoke wheels. Says Matchbox right there. Number 19 right on the side. GT with the red striping. The Brembo right there. Pretty cool. There's the back. Not much to see. Oh, can't see anything through the windows. Can we see anything through those windows? I'm looking off the camera. I can't see anything through those windows. Cool Mustang though. Grill is part of the interior. Made in Thailand. Oh, did I show the base of this one? Now I have. Let's compare the bases of all three of them. I think they're pretty much all the same. Ah, so the blue one has a gray plastic base. The white one has a black plastic base. And this one has a gray as well. Well, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to line all three of them up. The Brembo Mustang is the newest one. And that Top Gun Maverick one is from 2020, so it's the oldest one. Thanks for tuning in. Give you a nice still shot of the two Mustangs right on top of each other. These are the two that I just unboxed. And the unboxings were pretty clean too. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you